Hello and welcome, I'm Chris and this is the hair tutorial channel, and on this week's video I'm going to be doing a reverse balayage. Now this technique can be done with multiple colours, but I'm going to be doing it with blonde and a nice rich chocolate. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button for more weekly tutorials on everything hair. As you can see, I've taken out a horseshoe section through the top and I've coloured everything below that in a nice rich chocolate, because I'm just going to be concentrating on the top when I'm doing this because of the effect that I want. I'm just going to take some foil and just lay that across there. You could use cotton wool or you could use cling film, and that's just really to give me a little bit of protection. I'm going to be doing this in sort of 3 sections. I'll be doing the 2 side sections and the crown area. She also has a fringe, so I'll be doing that as well. But if she didn't have a fringe, obviously you would just include it into your side, as I'm going to show you. So I'm going to be starting on my side panel. Now the length of this block is about sort of shoulder length. Okay, so if you wanted to exaggerate this effect, you could obviously bring it down lower. There's a fringe, and I'm actually going to be colouring the fringe totally blonde. And I'm going to be applying my lightener directly onto the root. You could do this in foils. You could weave it if you didn't want such a block exaggerated colour. Now I'm just going to take my section. Now I'm just going to put in a tiny bit of back combing. Use my board as a bit of support, and on that back combing I'm going to be going up towards the root and really saturating that back combing so that we get a diffused line. Now on these ends, again, you could weave this and put 2 different colours on. I want a much stronger visual effect, so I'm simply going to be taking my chocolate colour and covering those ends. Once again, you could place this into foil or film if you wanted to. Now we have sort of our guide section. So every section from now on till I come to my central parting is going to be brought down to this line. So as I move up the head, obviously our root will become longer. Okay, so I've reached my final section by the parting. So as you can see, I'm going to have a long root and then my back combing line. And we're going to put our back combing in, making sure we push our back combing up. Balayage board that has teeth, those teeth are going to help keep it out of the way. And of course we're stroking up against the back combing and making sure we're thoroughly saturating that back combing. And then on the ends we're going to apply our chocolate. Now like I said, you could weave these ends and have put in 2 different colours, or you could weave everything I'm doing to give it a softer effect. With the fringe, I'm going to do the whole of the fringe just blonde, but you could, if you wanted to, do some back combing in there, but I just think the fringe will look better as a solid blonde. And we're going to do exactly the same on the other side and of course on the back. Okay, so as you can see now we've completed the whole head. I've done the same sectioning, bringing it to the same point all around and using the back combing as a diffusion. Okay, so now of course it's just a visual development and then rinse off and I'll show you the result. I've done it with bleach, however you could do it with different colours. There's so many options to this, but I wanted something really impactful, so we'll just finish off and I'll show you the result.